Equatorial forests and temperate grasslands. Location. Equatorial rainforests lie near the equator, between 0 degrees and 10 degrees north and south. One important country here is the Democratic Republic of Congo, formerly Zaire. It is in Central Africa, in a low-lying area called the Congo Basin, and the equator passes through its northern part. The Congo River, full of rapids and waterfalls like Victoria Falls, flows through the country. Vegetation. Most of Congo is covered with tall, evergreen rainforests. The trees, such as mahogany, rosewood, teak, oil palms, and bamboo, grow very high and form a thick canopy. In some areas, there are open grasslands called savannas. Climate. This region is hot and humid all year long. The day and night are almost equal, and it rains heavily with frequent thunderstorms. There is no winter or spring here. Agriculture. People practice farming and mining. They clear small patches of forest for 2 or 3 years to grow crops like rice, maize, and cassava, the main food. They also grow cash crops like coffee, rubber, tea, cocoa, sugar, and palm. Wildlife. Many animals live in these forests. You can find gorillas, chimpanzees, baboons, snakes, and crocodiles in the forest. In the swamps and rivers, there are hippos and more crocodiles. Unique creatures like the okapi and colorful birds of paradise also live here. Mineral wealth. Congo is very rich in minerals. It is a top producer of industrial diamonds, cobalt, copper, gold, uranium, tin, and zinc. Many of its exports are these valuable minerals. Industries. There are only a few industries in Congo, and most are in cities like Kinshasa, Lubumbashi, Likaji, and Matadi. The main industries include food processing, cement, textiles, vegetable oils, and cigarettes. People. The equatorial region is not very crowded. The Batu tribe is well known here. People usually have dark skin, short curly hair, and speak the Batu language. They love music, dance, and wear bright clothes. The Pygmies, who are the shortest people in the world, also live here and are known as good hunters. Transport. Transportation is difficult because of the thick forests. Building roads and railways is hard. Instead, people use small boats called kayaks on the rivers. Kinshasa is an important river port, and Matadi is the largest seaport. Air travel is also becoming more popular. Temperate grasslands. Location. Temperate grasslands, also known as prairies, are found in the northern half of the world, between the equator and the North Pole. Long ago, these lands were full of tall grasses and bisons. Now, they are a major farming area. Big rivers like the Mississippi and Missouri run through these lands to provide water for crops. Vegetation. The prairies have many tall grasses. In drier areas called steppes, the grasses are short. Unlike rainforests, there are very few tall trees. Climate. The grasslands have cold winters and short, warm summers. Days are longer in summer and shorter in winter. Most rain falls in the summer and sometimes in winter, which keeps the climate mild. Warm winds like the Chinook help melt snow in spring. Agriculture. The soil in these regions is dark and very fertile. With plenty of water from the rivers, farmers grow lots of wheat, maize, barley, rye, oats, and cotton. The prairies are known as the wheat basket of the world. Farming here is done mostly with machines, and many European settlers live on large farms. Wildlife. Many small animals live in the grasslands, such as hares, rabbits, mice, and prairie dogs. Grazing animals like deer and antelope also roam here. In Africa's wild animals like lions, giraffes, and cheetahs can be seen, while in Australia, kangaroos and wallabies are common. People. People in the grasslands mostly work as farmers. In North America, they grow grains and raise cattle on ranches where cowboys take care of the animals. In Australia, wheat farming and sheep ranching are common. In Argentina, large cattle farms called estancias are found. Some groups also lead a nomadic life in these regions.